it, Mara. Then give the flour more.
If Dad wants to make it, you can make it.
Don't just eat the fresh cream, Mara. Here, Cha. Look.
Mom, I want more pancakes.
Yeah.
Can you make more pancakes? A little bit
Don't
more.
suck it. Bite it. More what?
Dad, can you make one more pancake for me, please?
Wait.
One more pancake.
Right, there's more there.
Look at that. Mama's cheating that baby.
Sony, that's not a meal, darling.
I'm giving it to Myra. Eat that. Dad, can you make more pancakes for me? One more pancake for me, please. Andre.